as
No,
no.
not as waitresses and not as prostitutes.
Okay. Very good. No trabajaban de meseras y tampoco de prostituta.
Ah, sí.
Nada más bailar, pero qué interés hay.
Because they were not prostitutes and all they did was dance,
Yes.
a lot of them ended up marrying the people that they danced with.
Oh my God, okay. So los señores que encontraban las bailarinas así, sin nada, no, que si no era prostituta, tampoco meseras, que se casaban con ellas, nada más, porque les gustaba, because they liked the way that they were dancing, or what?
Well, there weren't a lot of women out there, so it was very, very, very difficult to meet a woman and get married. So needless to say, them coming in and dancing in the saloons and whatnot was actually a really good way of meeting eligible ladies.
Okay, but how can you marry a girl that you just dance with?
Oh, of course you meet, you have
Ahora sí entiendo que empezaron a bailar primero, pero ya la segunda etapa era cuchi-cuchi. Si el cuchi-cuchi y el baile estaba bueno, ya, después se casaban. Where they were getting married? On the road?
No, there was actually churches. There was
At the same time? In the same-
sometimes, yeah, so a lot of places have building churches or whatnot, and they have people.
Yeah, but I don't understand well. They were just passing by to go to the north, but they were spending so much time here that they had time to meet girl, dance, go in the room and marry.
No, it would have been more in Barkerville or in the bigger townships where they stayed and whatnot before they came in to buy material and whatnot.
Okay, so la mayoría del tiempo era un pretexto para encontrarse aquí, pero no se casaban, no bailaban, casaban, ir a la iglesia para todos. Esas etapas se está haciendo en el camino, porque sabían que ellos habían largado casi todo de su vida para ir en el norte, ¿ok?